Good morning, loves. Unfortunately, I'm here again. I have to say, I've been doing such a good job on keeping my room pretty clean for the most part for a long time. And then yesterday I was working on Poshmark and listing new clothes, and then this happened. There's that. It is time to clean my room, and I thought today, you know, I'm just having a lazy kind of day, as you guys can tell by my apparel and this hair that is, to be honest, needs to be washed. So I just threw it up in this concoction of a bun. Don't mind that. One of you guys actually commented and said that you want another clean the room. Perfect timing, because my room's messy again. I'm just gonna jump right into it. Of course, starting off with the floor, because that is what the majority of my problem is. I will leave my socials down below, my Instagram, Poshmark, all that good stuff. So if you guys wanna follow me, definitely do so. And on that note, let's get into the cleaning. A lot of my clothes just need to be washed, to be honest. So I'm gonna put the dirty clothes in the wash. And then this pile over here is actually some clothes I still need to take photos for Poshmark. And just like that, it's already much more clean, as you can see. This, I'm just going to fold it away and put it in my Poshmark pile, because I'm probably gonna take photos of that later today. There's still a few more things on the floor, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pick this all up, and the floor is already pretty much done. Not gonna lie, that was a lot quicker than I thought. Floors are completely clean now, and now I'm just gonna move on to, what the heck was that? My bun is like lopsided. I'm just gonna clean now the countertops. And is anyone like me where this happens to your drawers? You know, I could just push it in once I'm done, but I like to do this apparently. Let's start off by just closing the drawers. Goodbye. Note to self, close my drawers. Thank you. You think it's simple, but clearly not to me. As you can tell, a mess part 2, a mess part 3, and we gotta organize that as well. This is my Poshmark stuff. I was packaging a couple of packages yesterday and shipped some out, so I'm gonna put this away where it should be and not on the countertop of my dresser. But a shameless plug, if you guys don't follow me on Poshmark, my closet's just at NICOLETTAXO, and if you sign up, you download the Poshmark app and you also sign up with my code NICOLETTAXO, you will get a free $15 credit if you're Canadian or $10 credit if you are American. This just gives you an excuse to sign up and do a little bit of shopping. Now that I cleaned off my counters, I am gonna go in first with this and wipe down all my mirrors, especially this one. I don't know if you can tell, but it's, oh yeah, you could tell. It is so dirty, so we're gonna clean also my little makeup mirrors as well. Now that I cleaned the mirror, it is time, of course, to spray these bad boys down because they are so messy. As you can tell, that's a mess. That's a mess. It needs to go. cleaned off my countertops and I wiped everything down, and now we got this mess over here. That's pretty much the last step. I'm just gonna dust up a little bit after that and we're done. I have to say, this is probably one of my fastest clean the rooms. I feel like I didn't spend that much time cleaning. Love that for me. Let me know if you're currently sitting in a messy room or not. I'm curious to know who's sitting there when they should be cleaning their room, because that's me half the time. Now I'm just gonna do my bed and we are good to go. I'm so happy because it is only 12 and we're almost done, thankfully. As you guys saw, I finished off with just vacuuming. My floor is always hella hairy because long hair problems, but I'm finally done. I'm honestly sweating. Every time I film one of these, I sweat so much because, fun fact, my room is the hottest room in the house and I always have to keep my window open when filming. I don't have my fan on, so your girl is getting a good workout right now. But I finally finished and I feel so good. Everything's so clean and organized. Don't forget to comment right now if you're sitting in a messy room or a clean room. I'm curious to know. If you guys want more cleaning videos, thumbs it up. I will be moving in a couple months, so I would love to do cleaning videos in my house. If you guys want to see that, let me know and hit the subscribe button to join my family. I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday, and I would love for you guys to be a part of the family. But on that note, I need to go take a shower, so I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!